Hey everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to create a multi-currency wallet on Wise so that you can easily send, receive and hold money in different currencies around the world. So let's just get started. Start by opening up the wise.com or opening up the Wise application on your phone. And if you don't have an account, you can create or register one. After that, you will be taken to this section right here from the given dashboard. You need to look out for the open option and select up your balance. And here you can add up a new balance in any currency. So look out for the balance option, select it. And once you select it, here you can just go over and add up a new balance in any currency, as I said, like USD, Europe, GBP, odd, or more than 40 plus currencies worldwide. So you can just select your preferred currency, and once you do so, you can select the option of open balance, and all you gotta do is basically go ahead and when you open a balance in major currencies like USD, GBP or Europe, Wise gives you local bank details such as account number, etc. You can just go over and look out for that, and you can use the details to receive the payments from clients, employers or anyone abroad, just like a local bank account. And you can tap on add money, click add and choose your payment method, such as your debit card, credit or bank transfer. You can also convert between currencies instantly at real exchange with very low fees, and that's one of the best, wisest features. And that is it. Now you have created your multi-currency on Wise, ready to send, receive, and manage money globally. So if this tutorial was helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.